me twice as their member of parliament. And my constituents, for information, my constituents, that's where State House is, where who and who in this country stay and vote. Yes. That's the great note. The whole of Kawangware, Kilimani, Kileleshwa, all of it is in my constituents, or it was in my constituents. And those people voted to me because of the service again. And again because of the fear of God that we have. Abantu bamit ndaite mate ama Pastor Robert siasa ya Nairobi ni tofauti yake. Ihina janga nyora pastor anajua ikamenya enda mom is part of us. Yani DNA ito na boko nyori na mom ya kote. You wonder for what reason? Even for the leaders who have been elected. Abara ibacho waliru na boko ate na muamwe nene kuwanana warogisora. I said, if you go to those leaders, you see them here, ask them, what has not Siba's done? They don't have. Oh, Siba has not done projects. Oh, Siba has criminal gangs. Oh, ask them which project. I came to the office. I got only 81 ECD classes for 10 years. Nigeria better build 81 ECD classes. As we are talking, 1 year down the line, I've done 128 ECD classes. All roads in Kisii, most of them